Moving forward. This is you moving forward in a relationship that has been stuck or stagnant. So if you're waiting to see what's to come with somebody, we've got movement, we've got a happy time ahead, we've got celebration. Somebody's been in deep contemplation about whether to go to the next level or not, what to do about that. It's made them be all in their head where they're thinking of all these different options and outcomes and what could be. They're in love and they're going to make that known. You are like the completion for them. The missing piece of the puzzle is you. Feels here that this person's got clarity in their mind. They may have been moving a little bit slow, but they're definitely moving forward, and so are you. Just shows here you may have been getting a bit bored or a bit like, what's happening here? I'm fed up, I need more. They are looking to settle down with you. Okay, so there's an offer there to commit fully, to kind of make this person your one. Okay, so it might come in quite blunt and you might be a bit shocked because you might think, oh my God, I wasn't expecting that. But this person's been thinking about it for a while, thinking about it long and hard. Fate is here. There we have it again, that connection, that combination. So you're moving forward. Just go with it. It's meant to be. It's fated. There will be no going back after this. This is the final kind of judgment on this. So therefore, this person's had enough time to think this is what they want. So when you say yes and accept that, that is where you will be moving to. It shows there you can be emotionally open to this person and emotionally available. You can sit in your true feminine or masculine energy and know that you are fully accepted by this person. Your future is whatever you want it to be in that moment. This person wants love. This person wants union. They know. This person finds you so attractive. Everything about you they find attractive. Your energy, the way you look. Their cup is full. You have filled their cup and they want to return that to you and give that back to you. I feel like the connection you both have, you didn't see coming. It's been something that kind of just blossomed, and now moving forward is the next phase of the relationship. So you're going to have a conversation about this. It shows your ships are coming in. You know, if you're looking for marriage, children, buying a home, whatever it is you want, this person's going to come in. This person is a very deep thinker, so you might not be aware of that, or if you are, it might be frustrating at times because you think, speak to me, don't just think about it. This person knows exactly what they want. They're going to come in and they're going to have that with you. I feel as though you will get a bit more of an emotional like kind of outpouring from this person, but don't feel as though this is kind of rushed in any way, because although there's going to be speed now with committing, this person has thought about this long and hard and knows exactly what they want. Your life is never going to be the same. It's going to be better.